Should you wash raw chicken? Alright, quick question. Washing chicken, yes or no? If you said, yes, think again. The answer is no, don't wash your raw chicken. No, because. Is it because the chicken absorbs water? No, it's because washing spreads bacteria all around your kitchen. Raw chicken naturally carries bacteria like Salmonella and Campylobacter, which live on the surface of the meat. When you rinse chicken under running water, those bacteria get splashed around onto your sink, countertops, utensils, and even other food. That means a much higher risk of cross-contamination and food poisoning. How to stay safe? Instead of washing, just cook your chicken thoroughly to at least 75 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit because heat, not water, kills bacteria. So once again, washing chicken, yes or no? No. Keep it clean, keep it safe, and let heat do the cleaning for you. If you must though, check out this short to learn a small method that helps to reduce risk of cross-contamination.